Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a gas gauge on an Infiniti G35. First, let's understand the common culprits behind an inaccurate fuel reading. Often, the issue stems from the fuel sending unit, which can develop electrical problems over time. We'll also look at how to determine if the float arm or the sensor itself is causing your gauge to misbehave, guiding you toward an effective solution. Before diving into complex repairs, let's try some simple troubleshooting. You can often perform a quick diagnostic test on your dashboard gauge cluster to check its functionality. Next, carefully inspect all wiring connections leading to the fuel tank and gauge for any signs of corrosion or damage. Also, confirm your fuel tank isn't consistently overfilled, as this can sometimes lead to inaccurate readings. Now, let's get to the heart of the problem. You'll need to locate the access panel, typically found under the rear seat of your Infiniti G35. Once exposed, carefully remove the fuel pump assembly. This will allow you to thoroughly examine the fuel float and the resistor for any signs of wear, damage, or debris that might be hindering accurate fuel level readings. After your inspection, if you've identified a faulty fuel sending unit, it's time for replacement. Once the new part is installed, carefully reassemble all components, ensuring everything is securely connected. Then, perform a final test to confirm your fuel gauge is now providing accurate readings. Remember to check the description for links to helpful tools and other great deals, including a Fresh Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for your car.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.